The same this time of year, we want to know about Pecan Gap, Texas, and their 48 hours supply of drinking water.
It's a unique problem. Anyway, they did have some rain in that part of the country today. If you go west from there to Tucumcari, New Mexico, they had 2.5 inches today within 6 hours, regular deluge.
That's strange for them, isn't it?
Yeah, for that part of the country. The weather in that part of the country is moving that way. They may get some scattered showers there tomorrow, but they won't get the 10 inches they need. Nowhere close to it. Back home now. Here we are, back on Olive Avenue, looking east in the vicinity. Well, actually, we're standing in front of the Tower Theater, if you can imagine yourself looking east on Olive at some of the traffic in that part of town. Today in Fresno, the temperature reading 96 warm degrees, very close to normal. The normal temperature 95, 97 last year on this date. Up to the north today, Madera 93, it was 88 in Mariposa, up about the 1,900-foot level, 89 in Merced, 91 in Los Banos, down to the south now, 93 in Hanford, Visalia, and Tulare, both reporting 94, so our 96 was the warmest in the 6 counties. Right now, we've dropped to 70. The dew point is 45, and the humidity, the relative humidity, that is 41%. Winds are northwesterly at 5. Pressure 29.93 and rising, and the air quality today was moderate. Well, I'm kind of grasping for straws here, but we may have some high clouds in the forecast. No rain, high clouds, maybe on Friday. Don't expect any change in the weather from that. It won't cool things down, won't bring any type of precipitation, but you may see something up there to at least be different, huh? Well, here's what the state looked like today. San Francisco and Monterey both reported 65 degrees. Those were the cool spots reporting in. Santa Maria had 70 today. They've had clouds all along the coast this morning. Some drizzle in parts of the coastal areas. Santa Maria and Monterey both reporting a little bit. It was 72 in Los Angeles today, 73 in San Diego. Not all that warm down there. Palm Springs now getting those bad conditions for the fire. It's been warm, 107 there today. It was 96 in Bakersfield. It was 84 in Sacramento. They always are cooler up in Sacramento, at least almost always, doesn't it seem? Down in the bottom here, you see, off the coast of Baja California, what used to be a hurricane is now just a tropical depression. It's kind of fizzling out in the Pacific now. Some clouds out here, which aren't really expected to affect us. They are forming because there is a trough up in the northern part of the country. Trough, of course, will bring some instability to the air and allow some clouds to form. But all of that's too far to the north. There was some rainfall today across the northern Rockies from those clouds right there. Now back to the nation today. I mentioned the part of Texas that was dry. Well, Tucumcari is in the eastern part of New Mexico. This cold front, very vigorous at times, is moving towards the east, of course, and as I said, may bring some scattered showers to that part of Texas that is very dry tomorrow, but not that much. You know, really won't help very much at all. Now this is a very narrow band of showers that extends through a narrow portion of the United States and the central portion up towards the Great Lakes again. Other than that, most of the east today has been sunny. There's been some of the scattered showers across the Gulf today, and there's been mostly sunny skies out in the west with the exception of the northern and central Rockies where that trough has been triggering some thunderstorms. And for tomorrow, here's what it looks like. San Francisco will be fair. The high there tomorrow will be 60 degrees. Los Angeles fair and 82 in the Sierra at the 5,000-foot level. Fair sky, 78 degrees. The coast tomorrow, partly cloudy over there and 65 degrees. Won't be clearing off that much at the central coast. The desert fair and 108. Sunny in Fresno, of course, but of course, 62 the low tonight. The high tomorrow, 95. Winds will be northwesterly up to about 15 miles an hour at the most. Fair on Friday, 95. I said maybe some high clouds. Don't expect much. Saturday, fair, 94, 95 on Sunday, Monday, 94 again Tuesday and Wednesday. And here's some miscellaneous information for you. Pick out the things that may be pertinent. The burn day status tomorrow is permitted. Solar index today was 99%, and raisin drying for tomorrow is normal. Nothing much to report tonight except maybe some high clouds on Friday, and that's not much.
I've been looking at my calendar here, and I remember the Labor Day weekend when the rains came a couple of years ago and ruined the raisin crop. If we're 10 days behind, that means it's got to stay dry till about September 10th. Will it?
Your figures are pretty close, actually. Maybe even a little longer than that. They are behind this year, and usually through September to be safe. We don't want any rain through September.
Okay, so it looks good for them.
Looks very good so far.
Okay, Steve, thanks a lot. There was a first tonight in Fresno, the first live rock concert held at the Tower Theater.